Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you how to repair this corner trim. This one is PVC and because of the heat it has gotten destroyed. So we are going to remove the destroyed parts. One is here and the other part is here, and then install a steel one over it. It will make it look better and it's going to be nicer and more practical. We are going to start by removing the cover. Okay, this is the cover, and just pull it out. It's very easy, as you can see, it just came off. And then using pliers like this one, okay, you can cut the destroyed parts. See what the heat has done to this. So let's cut it from here. Okay, and then see, it's very easy to cut this. And let's make sure it is completely removed, and then let's cut it from here. Okay, this part is also destroyed. Okay, so we're going to remove this part as well. So I'm going to cut it from here. Okay, that's it for now. This is the middle part, and then we're going to remove this part. Oopsie. So we're going to throw out this destroyed part too. Okay, after cleaning, we are going to install these pieces. You have to install them. I'll let you know in a minute. Okay, so we're going to install this one here in the middle. Okay, you have to push it in, and there it is. And let's install this one. Okay, and the left side. Okay, now it is installed. Now this is the steel corner trim that we are going to install over the old one, the PVC one. Okay, it's going to be like this at the end. We are going to peel off this cover at the end, so it will look a lot nicer. But it's not going to stand here just like that. We have to use some sort of sealant to make it stand there. Okay, so let's prepare our sealant. Okay, this is the sealant that we are going to use to install this one, the steel one. Now we are going to apply the sealant. Okay, we have to be careful not to make a mess here, because working with these sealants could be a little bit tricky. So you have to be patient with these sealants. So I'm just going to install some right in the middle. It is white, I hope you can see it. Okay, and then I'm going to apply some, see, this is, I don't know the extent of this corner trim, so I'm going to apply some here and some here. Okay, let's put this aside. Yeah, I'm just going to give it a couple of seconds for the sealant to be exposed to the air, and then I'm going to install the corner trim right on it. I think it is okay now to install the corner trim. Just place it here and make sure that it looks fine, and then push it against the sealant. Okay, I'm just going to leave it like this for a couple of minutes or maybe a couple of hours to make sure it is in the correct place, and after that I'm going to peel off this cover. Okay, it has been a couple of minutes. I think we are ready to peel off the cover. So let's do it gently. Okay, there it is. I think it looks really nice, and this steel corner trim will protect the PVC 100 from the heat, even though it is not completely destroyed, but it will hold on to the PVC one. By the way, if your sealant is not finished and you want to protect the rest of it, okay, you can just put a screw on the top of it. It will stay for some time before you can apply it somewhere else. So if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos.